Okay, so before we start, I just wanted to give you a little orientation, how to use this power of play space. So, what you want to do is just recognize that the school app, which is SKOOL, you can actually download that app on your phone and you can access it there, or you can also bookmark it on your computer as well. And so make sure that you have that accessible. If you ever lose your ability to get in, just go to my websites at andreaseidel.com or go to livelifehappypublishing.com and access the Live Life Happy community, and it'll take you into the community and you can find the power of play. So that's number one. We want you to be able to find where to go, right? I want you to know that you can pop in here occasionally. You can pop in here every single day. You can join the conversations or you can simply soak up inspirations. So just play where you're at and just know that you're welcome here. And I really do want you to engage. This is what we can do together. So try some play ideas. Every month I'm going to upload themes, videos, some fresh, spontaneous inspirations for play. So you can use these as sparks of inspiration. You can adapt them for your own life or just completely make your own playful way up. And just, even 5 minutes counts. So, I always say that play can even be resting. And so the next thing is I want you to share your play. So I want you to post your photos, post your reflections, post what you're planning on doing, and so that we can all share because play is contagious. When we see someone else playing, we have these joyful images or ideas and reflections, it really does create this ripple effect of joy. So show us how you're playing, show us how you're showing up and show us your way, your style, your life. And so we can see others through playful lenses. And this is part of the magic. The other thing is to join conversation. Make sure that you're commenting, cheering someone on, offering encouragement, and sharing, what is exciting for you, what surprised you. And just that presence is really, really key for connection in this community. And within Live Life Happy Community, I have a community chat going called The Power of Play Shares. And so that's where you can start a fresh conversation, a fresh post if you want, or add to other posts that are in there as well. Don't be shy. Let's take this play also out into the world. Feel free to follow me on social media. I'll be right there to cheer you on. I'm at Instagram at livelifehappy_AS. You can also use the hashtags the power of play or the power of play in action. And let's spread this joy beyond just this space as well. And I always say that just please look at this as not another task or responsibility. It's just a reminder. It's a shared fun play inspiration zone. It's a joyful nudge back to fun, making play a habit. And the happiness that play can bring is so contagious and so powerful. And so I'm really thrilled that you're here. I encourage you to bookmark this space and download the school app just for easy sharing and also connection. And then also, if you need the link, you can always go through my websites at andreaseidel.com or livelifehappypublishing.com. I'm so excited that you're here and join in when you feel good. Share what makes you smile. And most of all, enjoy the play. I'm so glad you're here.